good wishes to everyone. This is Bharatha Kalalaya presents a guitar class. Key C. Hi, good wishes. Today we are going to learn about the keys. We are going to learn today C key. How to play C on your guitar. Can we have a look? C. Your index finger should be placed on the second string and your middle finger should be placed on the second key string board, on third string, from first third string, from down fourth string, okay? And your ring finger should be placed on the fifth string. Again, once again I am saying, your index finger should be placed on the second string. Your middle finger should be placed on the fourth string. And your ring finger should be placed on the fifth string. First string board, second string board, third string board. But your finger should not be placed on the foot. Okay. Now, when you place your finger, you should play 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, I am going to teach you about 2/4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. This should be practiced again and again. Now same C key in 3/4 position. The same C key. You should hold like this. 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bit fast. Bit fast. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Please keep on practicing key C in 2, 3, 2 and 3 with 2, 4 and 3, 4 beats. Key D. Okay, now we are going to learn on key D. Key D, you should place the finger, your index finger and your middle finger in the second string board of string 1 and string 3 and your ring finger in the third string board of string 2. Once again, you should place your index on string 3 and middle on string 1 of string board 2 and your ring in string 2 of string board 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, this is 2 by 4 beats. Now 3 by 4 beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I hope you might understand. Please keep on practicing. Key E. Your index on string 3, 1, 2, 3, and your middle and ring on string 4 and 5. Once again, your index on the third string and your middle finger and the ring finger on the fifth string and the fourth string. First playboard means string board and the second fingerboard. Okay. Now 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do it. Okay. I hope you must understand how to hold the key E in the string board. Okay? I hope. Key F. Now you are going to learn on key F how to hold the key F. Just have a look. Your index finger should be placed on the string 1 and string 2 together, and your middle finger on the second string board of string 3, string 3, 1, 2, 3 from downwards 1, 2, 3, and your ring finger on the third string board of fourth string. Yes? Everything should be placed between the string board, between the two flutes, not up on this foot. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. I hope you might understand.
Key G.
Okay. Now you are going to learn on key G. How to hold the key G. Just have a look. Your index finger should be placed on the second string board of fifth key. Then middle finger, sixth key of the third board, and ring finger, first key of the third board at the same time between the flutes. Okay. Now 1 2 1 2 3 1 1 1 2 1 2. I hope you might understand how to hold key G.
Key A.
Now we are going to learn about key A. Let's have a look how to hold key A. The first three fingers, index, middle and ring, should be placed on the second string board, second play board in second string, third string and fourth string. Second, third, fourth, between the two frets. Okay, ready? 1 1 2. I hope you must understand this. Please keep on practicing.
Key B.
Hi, today we are going to learn on key B. How to play key B. Can we have a look how to hold key B with your fingers? Just have a look. Your index finger should be placed on the second string board, play board in first string, and your middle, ring and little finger should be placed on fourth string board, means play board in second string, third string and fourth string. It should be placed between the board in the space of the board between the two frets. It should not be placed on the fret. Can I have a look? 1 2 1 2. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 2 3. I hope you might understand this. Please keep on practicing.